gukwanira mang'ana akorekanete igoro igari Kenyenya ase nyagitari yitu mang'ana igabeta atari yokogokia ikiagera omwana ominto yomo akacha gwekonya kogonkia ebati embe kaba muna abanyagitari baeresire bakabwati byonsi machika bonsi bali tukwigutwa igure muna babwateti rende gaike muna bati embe yabete omwana orio ito agasiri obogima bwaye boneka yasiri obogima boria abantu baminto bakabea bakaburukana baganza kumnyokia abanyagitari baito abanyagitari abana baminto batureiniri buya bamanyete gasi yabo bakumnyokigwa ng'aki mwakora nkeke mwakora mbakieti kobori ng'aki gosekiaba igo bachete ne riogiri yabo bono tokubatia abana baminto kera magosa abeire encherere ibintu bigokorekana bagacharia bakamnyokia abo bisa bande bachete aroro bagaka abande paka mumurumu abo maremu yosirete bakamwaka abantu bakaumiza kange batatu baneiga togoteba ngintu muri kinge korekana ekeri nyagitari ikine chitu twasoire nyagitari mekunyiruta magena twatire birore twaibire gosenki ibintu bingi bisarigete garia gotumutora abantu baito bakikurigereria baringururinga nkike yasarigete bono rende ekabanga nobosoku kabanga nesegi ande kabege ntugitari kworokie gentegia ase jamii yaito munabagusi ntori gotebanga nigentegia kiabete ekini tware gotebanga kaige tumune kiabeire twaruribaga ibintu byarigeri gungora ngora kiagere nyagitari genge kanisa aiga no tugutama ege ibintu byonse byakoreki byasarikire kero kwaro no gutama none kero moyo ruware no kanisa ogokia bone chini institution yejibere worldwide na murigiria mangana Red Cross nyagitari nchiri komnyoka gosarigwa gosukurwania igorarwani munyagitari bono the next minute kwarwari otogoteba iga abantu baminto remereria kababa toereru eserikali y'umweshimiwa Paul Simbarati uyo tarengaroro oinde gaga kwa niaba yake igo tokobane kelinga byonsi mbuyabire twatebiri abanyagitari abanene bagurunga KPMDU bache baligeri bakore investigations bali ngoruringa inki kiabete abanyagitari batotebiri mbuya ko inki kiabete naboigo batotebi clinical officer batotebi chinas batotebi na handi twatebi no DCI omonyonki bwa mang'ana ya serikali nera agenda arigereria nyonginga ninki kiabete iripoti echiche n'abanyene mwana orio sirete mbabwato bosibore wo gukora post mortem yabo muna banjite irinde barorenga na maene aya bagoteba na ari umunyagitari yo bagoteba egere enko chinkoro cyabo kitereme na inde baisane kenga ngigi akorekante kera bono gase bari go bato borobo nene they must be very disappointed lakini kera bamanyire mu maene obu byonsi mbibagwenere muni family ko bagendete kolera na koranga kibagokora ase oyo mwaborarire as a government autofiriti pole na antu atebire pole sana igoro mona abana baminto timosa rikinyagitari chitu na kende igenga muna bono okosi accident ye para yegari musambiruri musambo monyene bono rende investigation yaki ko chikoba gujibosyo borega mukubwatinga kitogokora kitoko investigate. My request to the people of Kisii County, I feel saddened nonje nimbete nindo chibobe kiara ko tugutobogima eso mwana ole kogonkia taligentukia but tobe abantu tole tolerant and abantu toraba kanyiku and aboro tuereso inyagitari rinjabwa atabangina bande batagete kogonkia abande bagongiri abande kogonki baguchi iko tari makogoso turateba yani amabepi something that went wrong we will all be told muna banyagitari batebiri umwaka mutinyo oero January iko twara abana kiribusato bagotoka banyoretwe that shows you ngeserikali mbiyere n'abakora imirimo ya serikali abanyagitari mbiya bari kokonya abangina betu kiribusato is not a joke aso mutinyo yomo ko tokoteba mbiya muri abanyagitari for a job well done kokore gasi iyo sedigo so diabere limo we will look at it toteba ni kitogokora tito na abana baminto tigatwere sana so bopole na so bwanchani na mono aso gotakompanya yekena kiri.
My name is Dr. Moseti Victor. I am an obstetrician and gynecologist in Kisii County. First of all, I want to empathize with the family that has lost their loved one. So for clarity, I just want to say that yes, indeed, we received the mother who came to our facility, that is Kenyenya Sub-County Hospital. The mother arrived on 26th of this month at around 11 a.m. in the morning. But at that point, she had not yet gone into labor. As routinely, what we normally do for such a kind of a patient, they are normally kept for monitoring until such a time when she goes into labor. And indeed, on the 26th of February, the lady proceeded into labor. At around 6 a.m. in the morning, she was around what we normally call 6 centimeter dilated. That ushers in the process of labor, and therefore that is the point we say that now we need to start monitoring more aggressively. At around 9 a.m., she has not yet gone into full dilatation, which we normally say full dilatation, so that can allow the baby to be delivered. So at around that 9 a.m., the mother had a drastic change of events. She started becoming restless, having short of breath. And as our team realized that, they swung into action. They tried to resuscitate this lady, but in the process of resuscitation, and unfortunately, we lost the mother. Routinely, once a lady has gone into labor, we expect that this mother has to go up to 10 centimeter dilatation, and then that will allow her for subsequent delivery of the mother, of the child. At this point, if you note, this particular mother had not yet reached that point, so she was not yet ready to be taken for delivery room or for subsequent any other further interventions. So at this point, we were trying to do a normal delivery. On the same note, I think in the same facility, we had also other mothers who are in labor, who are being monitored, and I can assure you that all the other mothers who were there, they successfully delivered to a very healthy babies. So on that note, again, I want to reassure all our residents in Kisii County that we as healthcare workers, we sought to make sure that we provide the highest standard of care, and we shall continue to provide that high standard of care. And for that matter, please kindly, as a county, have confidence in our facilities, have confidence in our healthcare workers. For sure, we shall continue giving you the best care that everyone deserves in this county. As routinely we normally do for all cases, we have started conducting an audit, which will be able to bring out everything that transpired, so that we're able to know what exactly happened within this short period of time that led to this death. So I want to reassure that even the postmortem will be conducted so that we can have a comprehensive report on the same case. In facility, I still oversee the entire county. Where there is emergency that is required, I can still go there and assist. Yes.